At what point did you notice that aluminium trichloride is not ionic? Aluminium trichloride is actually a covalent compound because it cannot dissociate to release aluminium ion. So the equation AlCl3 yielding aluminium ion and chloride ion is not true. It has no practical reality. Instead, at liquid or solid phase, AlCl3 actually exists as a dimer because the molecule itself, AlCl3, is too unstable to exist. So two of them coexist as a dimer, Al2Cl6, and the individual atoms are purely linked covalently. And this is the structure of the dimer. Aluminium is terminally bonded to 3 chlorine atoms. Another aluminium is terminally bonded to another 3 chlorine atoms. But these two fragments are too unstable to exist because aluminium itself is electron hungry, it's electron deficient, meaning that it has not satisfied its octet configuration. There are only 6 electrons surrounding it instead of 8. But one of the chlorine atoms in a neighboring AlCl3 supplies such electron and they bond with the aluminium. The same thing happens here. This chlorine supplies the electron and dative bond with aluminium. And this structure is the form in which AlCl3 exists. And that is why the right chemical formula is Al2Cl6. Now look at what happens. As expected, when the compound dissolves in water, it should ionize to form aluminium ion and chloride ion. But no, when Al2Cl6 dissolves, it does not dissociate. Rather, it gets hydrolyzed in order to form a complex known as hexaaqua aluminium triion and chloride ion. This hydrolysis is represented thus. So one molecule attacks 12 molecules of water and the complex is formed. Hexaaqua aluminium triion plus 6 chloride ion. So this is the form in which it exists when it dissolves in water, and not Al3 plus and Cl1 minus. Again, at gaseous phase, something happens. The Al2Cl6 breaks down into 2 molecules of AlCl3. This only happens at a very high temperature and the reaction is reversible. Therefore, AlCl3 is a covalent compound and not an ionic compound. And this reaction does not exist because the aluminium content is trapped